Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be talking about magic methods in Python. So yeah, let's hop right into it. Magic methods in Python are special methods that start and end with double underscores. These methods aren't meant to be invoked directly. Instead, Python provides these methods to implement certain functionalities that can seem like magic. For example, let's consider the plus operator. Have you ever wondered how Python knows how to add these two objects together when you use this operator? The secret lies in the double underscore add double underscore magic method. Let's take a look at this in action. In this example, we have defined a magic add class with an add method. The magic happens when we create instances num1 and num2 and add them using the plus operator. Python calls the add method to find out how to add these two objects together. And the result we get is obviously 12. Magic methods are also used to provide meaningful string representation of our object. This is done using the underscore underscore str, double underscore, and double underscore repr double underscore methods. Let's take a look at how these work. Here we have a magic string class with the double underscore str and double underscore repr methods. When we create an instance str object and pass it to the print function, Python calls this str method for a friendly string representation. The double underscore repr double underscore method, on the other hand, is called when we use the repr function, providing a more formal and code-like representation of our object. Magic methods are not just for mathematical operations or string representations. They also empower comparison operators. Let's see an example with the double underscore EQ double underscore and double underscore NE double underscore methods. In our magic compare class, we've defined the double underscore EQ double underscore to implement the equals equals operator, and the double underscore NE double underscore to implement the not equals to operator. As you can see, when we compare 1 and compare 2 with the equals sign, Python uses the double underscore equals equal double underscore method, and when we use the not equal to, Python uses the double underscore ne method. As you've seen, magic methods in Python add a lot of magic to our classes and objects, allowing us to use built-in operations like addition, string representation, and comparison. They're part of what makes Python such a flexible and expressive language. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel. We'll catch you in the next one.